Hello students, let's discuss polygon. Yesterday also I taught. So, what is polygon? A closed figure made by line segments is called polygon. Look at each figure drawn here. You will observe that each figure is made by, first of all, each figure is closed and made by line segments only. Okay, no figure is like this here. Okay, this is closed, but its boundary is curvilinear. This boundary is known as curvilinear. This boundary is linear. Okay, so boundary must be straight lines. So polygon is what? A closed figure made by line segments. Okay, like this one closed figure made by line segments. Okay, this one. Okay, each one of them is a polygon. Yes, it is not a polygon, it is a simple closed figure. Yes, then I taught diagonal. Here is the definition. Line segment joining any two non-adjacent vertices is called a diagonal. When you join two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon, then line segment obtained is known as diagonal. Okay, if you observe, A and C are non-adjacent vertices. A and B are adjacent vertices. B and C are adjacent vertices. C and D are adjacent. D and E are adjacent. A and E are adjacent. But A and C are non-adjacent. B and E are non-adjacent. A and D are non-adjacent. Basically, non-adjacent vertices means the vertices which do not lie on a line. If you see, A and C are not lying on a side on a line segment. Okay, understood? So A and C will be non-adjacent vertices. So what is diagonal? The line segment obtained by joining non-adjacent vertices of a polygon. Okay, so this is a diagonal. This is also the diagonal. This is also the diagonal. This is the diagonal, and here we can draw this one. EC is also a diagonal. Okay, so this is diagonal. Then I told you the formula. How to find number of diagonals using formula of a polygon. Okay, there is a formula which can be used to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. Okay, so that's why I have written here, number of diagonals in a polygon is given by n into n minus 3 upon 2, where n represents number of sides of the polygon. Okay, here I have given you the example. If you see this example, suppose this is a pentagon we have, this is a polygon. Suppose we want to find the number of diagonals in this polygon. So using this formula we can find number of diagonals. Simply you have to put the value of number of sides instead of n. Okay, so number of diagonals equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2. What is n? What I told you about n? N represents number of sides. So how many sides it has? It has 5 sides. So here we will put 5. So 5 into 5 minus 3 upon 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 5 is the answer. So it means this will have 5 diagonals. If you want to verify this by joining diagonals, so you can verify. Okay, if we draw number of diagonals here, so this, now count them, 1 2 3 4 5. So it means there are 5 diagonals here also. As you can see, there are 5 diagonals. Okay, let's talk about angle sum property now. So what is angle sum property? Property which defines sum of all interior angles is known as ASP. ASP means angle sum property. Okay, suppose here I have written sum of all interior angles of a polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180. Means using this formula we can find the sum of all interior angles of a polygon, where n is the number of sides. Suppose, look at this example. Suppose we have a polygon and we want to find the sum of all interior angles. Okay, it has 5 interior angles. So we want to find sum of these 5 interior angles. So which formula we will use? We will use n minus 2 into 180, this one. Okay, So what is n? N is number of sides. So how many sides it has? 1 2 3 4 5. It has 5 sides. So simply you have to put n equal to 5 in the formula. So n minus 2 into 180. In place of n we will put 5. 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 will give you 540. So we can say the sum of all these 5 interior angles will be 540 degree. Similarly you can find for other polygons. In different polygons the ASP, okay, will be different. Okay, in 5-sided polygon 540, in 4-sided polygon there will be some other number. Okay, let's talk about regular polygon. Polygon in which all sides and angles are equal. Consider this polygon. Look at the sides. All the sides are equal. Look at the angles. All angles are also equal. So this is a polygon in which all the sides and all the angles are equal. So this is a regular polygon. Look at this one. All the 4 sides are equal, 6 6 6 6, and all the 4 angles are equal, 90. Each angle is 90. Okay, so this is also a regular polygon. Basically a polygon in which all sides and angles are equal is known as regular polygon. Irregular polygon. A polygon which is not regular is called irregular polygon. Look at this polygon. This is not regular because all the sides are not equal. Only 2 sides are equal. Okay, so this is not a regular polygon. So this will be an irregular polygon. This is not regular, so this will be an irregular polygon. Polygon which is not regular is known as irregular polygon.